How do I count the occurrences of a list item? Given a single item, how do I count occurrences of it in a list in Python? A related but different problem is counting occurrences of each different element in a collection, getting a dictionary or list as a histogram result instead of a single integer. For that problem, see using a dictionary to count the items in a list.
If you only want a single item's count, use the count method. Important: this is very slow if you are counting multiple different items. Each count call goes over the entire list of n elements. Calling count in a loop n times means n*n total checks, which can be catastrophic for performance. If you want to count multiple items, use counter, which only does n total checks.
Use counter if you're using Python 2.7 or 3.x, and you want the number of occurrences for each element.
Another way to get the number of occurrences of each item in a dictionary.
Counting the occurrences of one item in a list. For counting the occurrences of just one list item, you can use count. Counting the occurrences of all items in a list is also known as tallying a list or creating a tally counter. Counting all items with count. To count the occurrences of items in L1 can simply use a list comprehension and the count method. Or similarly with a dictionary dict, x l.count x for x in set L. Example. Counting all items with counter. Alternatively, there's the faster counter class from the collections library. Example. How much faster is counter? I checked how much faster counter is for tallying lists. I tried both methods out with a few values of n, and it appears that counter is faster by a constant factor of approximately 2. Here is the script I used. And their output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.